Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to pop on and share a project that I have finished. I started this on my live on Tuesday, yesterday, and I finished it up this afternoon, and I'm fairly pleased with how it came out, and I just wanted to share with you what it is. This is for a lady who's having a challenge, and it's like an ephemera junk journal challenge. So this is what I'm going to send her, and on top here I've just got some snippets of vintage lace that she can put in her journal. Just some beautiful pieces I hope she likes, so that's all that is. And then this I started yesterday on my live, so a lot of you did see this already, but I finished it now. And I got the printables from My Porch Prints on Etsy, and that is what I use this for. And if you go to my live yesterday, the last video before this one, you will see the link to the store and everything is there. So this is what the front looks like. It's a little journaling folio, and hopefully that's all in camera. So I finished the front. I added the little button. I added some of the words, and this is also a separate file from My Porch Prints, as are the little journaling words. I also got those, and then I added some of the same vintage laces that I'm sharing with her here, and I just added this little bell just because it's fun on the side here, and then I popped an eyelet in with some sari just to tie it closed. And then on the inside, it has two little pockets. This side has a tag, and I'll take everything out and show you. This is what the folio looks like. So, I mean, you could actually close it like that because it has the notch here and make that into a whole pocket if you wanted to, and then take this piece and fold it out. Like, you could do a lot of different things with it. It does come with this pocket here that is attached to it, so, I mean, you can do all kinds of things with it, but it's beautiful. This paper is also in the kit. You get this piece, you get the little journal, you get the tag, and then you get 3 other full-size sheets of digital print to do what you like. So there's another one of the words. You don't get these in the kit, but they're on her store. I did get those, and then the grungy numbers. And so that's how I just decorated it pretty simply and just put more of that vintage lace there. So then on the inside, you get the tag, which I'll show you first. This is the tag I did. I backed it with more of the paper from the kit, and then I just kind of did a bit of collaging here with more of the paper and some music paper, and then Live Your Dreams, it says here, from the word kit. And then I just cut out this little crown I had in my stash, and then I just cut out more of the words and numbers from the other kit, and I just put some eyelets in them, and she can take these off and use them if she likes. And then I just added some snippets of vintage lace here for her as well to use, and then there's the tag. The tag is super pretty, so I didn't want to put anything on the front of it because I just think it's so pretty. So that's the tag. And then the little journal. Oops, let me move this over here. This is the little journal. And I added some seam binding, or sari ribbon. And it opens this way because the paper would have been upside down if I had to put it the other way. So that's why it opens that way, because if it had have opened this way with the flap here on the front, the paper would have been completely upside down. So that's why it opens that way. I just made that decision. I don't know why, but I felt like the paper shouldn't be upside down because it would have been like that. And then this beautiful boat with the roses would have been upside down, and the writing was upside down. So that's why it opens like that with the flap on this side. That's just how it was. So I popped another little eyelet there for my sari, and then I used more of the vintage laces and the words and numbers from the other two kits. And then I used a bunch of coffee dyed paper. I didn't do too much to the inside because I wanted her to decorate it and write in it or do what she wanted. I did do a little bit of collaging that you'll be able to see, but mostly it's my coffee dyed paper that I used the lace on. And you can see there's another one of the little, and then I made two little pockets out of a coffee dyed vintage map, and then it just has a little tag in it, and it's one signature. And then I made another pocket with more of that vintage map. This actually has a little T on it. Her name starts with T. And then it just says friendship at the back here, and she can alter this or do what she likes with it. And then it just closes with the sari seam binding again. And then this just pops in the side here, and then the ticket, or the tag, pardon me, goes here. And then you just again close it with the sari. That just wraps around it a few times. And that's the little folio. But I did make a couple of other things. This is an altered envelope that I made just to put a few goodies in for her. And again, I put an eyelet on the back to put the sari. And I made a pocket on the front with more of the digital paper and the numbers and words. And then I made another tag. Like that kit you get a lot out of, for sure. And then I added another little number tag here and just another little snippet of lace. And that just pops in there, and then more vintage lace here and a doily, and then a little hang tag with another word on it. And then on the back, it says thankful, and I stamped on it. This was coffee dyed as well. And then you can see I put a dictionary meaning here of blessedness, little metal corner, a little tag with more of the numbers, and then another little tag here with a bulb pin and some eyelets and another word that says sparkle. So that's the envelope, and again it just, you know, ties up. And then this is an altered CD holder that I did, and there is goodies inside of this. I won't share what's in there, but she can open that when she gets it. But they're just little ephemera like goodies, and some more of the words and little tags and things. So I put a little angel charm on this bulb pin. Hopefully you can see that. Super cute. And I did put an eyelet on the back as well for the sari. The front just has some music paper. This says beautiful things, little chipboard Timmy and the vellum wings, and you can see all the lovely goodies on the inside, some vintage cards, there's doilies, there's more of the little tags and things from the kit, just fun things for her journal. And then the back has a pocket made out of music paper. There you can see the little eyelet I put in the top there, and I stamped it. It's all coffee dyed. Some vintage laces, the word inspiration and a butterfly, and then just a very simple tag made out of more of the kit paper, some sari, and then a bit of collaging on the back. So that's going to be my entry for her challenge and some goodies for her, so I hope that she likes them. I had a lot of fun making these. I love making embellishments like this. It's just, I don't know, I find it really relaxing. So Yeah, that's what I made. So that is my project for today, guys, and I will be back with another video soon. So take care, everybody. I hope you like my project. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think, or let me know if you like to make this kind of stuff. I'd love to have your input on that. Talk to you guys later. Bye.